Do you want to know how to make more money off your property and skyrocket its worth? Stick around because today I'm revealing the top home renovations that can boost your home's appeal and ensure you get the most bang for your buck. From kitchens to backyards, I'll cover it all. Welcome back to Property Ladder. My name is Khushnaz, and in this video, we'll be going over the best home renovations to add value to your home and increase the ROI. Let's get started. Number 1, kitchen renovation. The kitchen is often considered the heart of the home, and for good reason. A modern, well-designed kitchen can significantly increase your home's value. According to the Appraisal Institute of Canada, you can expect an average return rate of 75 to 100% on a kitchen renovation. Think upgraded countertops, new appliances, and stylish cabinetry. These upgrades not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also improve functionality, making your kitchen a centerpiece that attracts potential buyers. Next up is the bathroom. A beautiful bathroom can be a major selling point. Renovating your bathroom can yield an average return rate of 70 to 85% as reported by the Appraisal Institute of Canada. Focus on adding modern fixtures, a double vanity, and maybe even a luxurious shower. A fresh, clean, and stylish bathroom can make a huge difference in how buyers perceive your home. Number 3, basement renovations. Don't overlook your basement. Finishing your basement can add valuable living space to your home, whether it's for a family room, a guest suite, or a home office. In Canada, basement renovations can offer a return rate of 70 to 75%, according to the Appraisal Institute. This investment not only increases your living space, but also appeals to buyers looking for versatile homes. Number 4, backyard landscaping and curb appeal. First impressions matter, and that's why landscaping and curb appeal are so important. Investing in your backyard and front yard can give you an average return rate of 75 to 100%, according to the Appraisal Institute of Canada. Consider adding a deck, planting trees, or simply maintaining a lush green lawn. A well-kept exterior invites buyers in and sets a positive tone for the rest of the house tour. Fifth on the list is flooring. Choosing the right flooring is crucial, especially for Canadian winters. Opt for materials like hardwood or engineered wood with good insulation properties. These flooring options not only add warmth and comfort, but also appeal to buyers looking for durability and energy efficiency. According to the Appraisal Institute of Canada, quality flooring can offer an average return rate of 70 to 80%. You could also consider carpeting for additional insulation and coziness in colder months. Next on the list is window replacement. Energy-efficient windows are a great investment. Not only do they improve the comfort of your home, but they also attract eco-conscious buyers. In Canada, replacing your windows can yield a return rate of 70 to 80%, according to the Appraisal Institute. New windows can lower energy bills and provide a modern look, making them a win-win improvement. Next up, we have a garage upgrade. Let's talk about the garage, which is an often overlooked area that can add significant value. You can start with replacing the garage door for improved security and curb appeal. Insulating the garage can also help regulate temperatures year-round, offering a return rate of 60 to 80%. Choose durable flooring like epoxy or interlocking tiles, which are ideal for Canadian winters and winter tires. Adding storage solutions such as shelves and cabinets can also maximize organization. Lastly, a fresh coat of paint can brighten up the space and enhance overall appeal. Last but not least, we have paint. Surprisingly, painting is one of the most low-cost investments you can make, yet it can have a massive impact. A fresh coat of paint is one of the most cost-effective ways you can transform your home. With an average return rate of 60 to 80%, according to the Appraisal Institute of Canada, painting can make your home look clean, updated, and inviting. Make sure you choose neutral colors to appeal to a wider range of buyers. And there you have it, the best home renovations that can add value to your home and increase your ROI. Remember, the key is to focus on improvements that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also improve functionality and efficiency. By making smart choices, you can ensure your home stands out in the market and attracts the right buyers. Thanks for watching Property Ladder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips and advice. See you next time.